Yung tricycle driver na naging lawyer, janitor na naging IT director, yung messenger na naging CPA at naging head ng finance, sidewalk vendor na naging CEO and chairwoman ng isang malaking kumpanya, group of companies. And there are many more stories. I'm sure ikaw may ganitong klase ng success story or you know someone with a similar success story. Yung mga examples ko are people I'm familiar with. Some of them, naging kliyente ko. Yung iba, I used to work for, worked with, and some of them used to work for me at na-achieve nila yung significant success in their lives, no? And pag iniisip ko, ano bang meron itong mga ito? Are they more talented than the rest of us? Hindi eh. Some of them are probably even less talented if I think about it. Pero ano yung common denominator? Ano yung common dito sa mga tao na ito? And I see one common thing. Ano yun? Yung kanilang focus is on how to get to where they want to be rather than on the barriers that hinder them from getting there. So ang focus nila ay dun sa path on how to achieve the goal, not the things that would stop them. And that's the reason why they got there. For example, yung janitor na naging IT director ay hindi graduate ng IT, but he made an effort to learn information technology and found a mentor to help him. Pero isang aspect lang yung mentor na yon. It was his effort, his personal endeavor to learn so much to a point where he can strategically manage an IT department for a large BPO company. Can you imagine? Yung accountant, dating messenger na naging accountant, ay nag-invest ng kanyang personal time, night school. Tapos pagkatapos nun, review centers hanggang sa pumasa siya at naging accountant siya. Both examples are not young single people. Rather, married individuals who decided na where they were is not their was not their destination. They were just a station towards their goal. So ano ang mensahe dito? Ano ang lesson? Two things. Una ay be clear about what you want for yourself, di ba? Whether that's a short-term goal or a long-term goal, short-term goals that lead to long-term goals. Make sure that that's clear. And then second is look at paths to get there rather than focus on the barriers, because the barriers will discourage you. The barriers could be your situation or the people in your situation. There are external and internal barriers, no? Yung external, kasama doon yung mga tao na knowingly or unknowingly will hinder you from achieving your goal. But know this, if you take care and deal with your internal barriers, remove those internal barriers, you can focus more and the external barriers will not stop you from getting to your goal. I hope this helps.